Hello, welcome to Health Advice TV. Have you ever wondered what really happens to your body when you quit smoking? If you or someone you know is trying to quit, stay tuned, because even within the first minutes, amazing things start to happen inside your body. Studies say just 20 minutes after you put down that last cigarette, your body begins its healing journey. Your heart rate and blood pressure start to drop to healthier levels, giving your cardiovascular system a break. After 8 to 12 hours, your blood oxygen levels start to increase and carbon monoxide levels drop. That's right. Within half a day, your body's working hard to remove harmful chemicals like carbon monoxide, giving your cells more oxygen and energy. Within 48 hours, your nerve endings start to recover and your senses of taste and smell begin to improve. Food tastes richer and smells seem sharper. Plus, as nicotine starts to leave your body, your lungs are starting to clean out mucus and other residues from years of smoking.
After just 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice easier breathing. Your lung function improves as your bronchial tubes relax and expand, helping you breathe better. You might even start noticing you have more energy during physical activities. Around the 1 to 3 month mark, your body is even more resilient. Blood flow improves, which can lower your risk of heart attacks, and your immune system becomes stronger, helping you fend off colds and illnesses more easily. One of the biggest changes happens after 1 year of quitting. By this point, your risk of heart disease is about half that of a smoker's. Over the next 5 years, the risk of stroke drops significantly, and after 10 years, the risk of lung cancer is about half that of someone who still smokes. Quitting smoking isn't easy, but these incredible changes to your health make it worthwhile. From your heart to your lungs, and even your skin, every part of your body benefits. So if you're on this journey, remember, each day without cigarettes is a day closer to a healthier, longer life. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time on Health Advice TV.